Barna Senegal became Touba Protéine Marine (TPM) last March, a 100% Senegalese company, leader in the production of fish oil and fish meal.
Touba Protéine Marine evolves in the manufacture of fish meal and fish oil. The fish meal is for aquaculture, for fish farming, and also for flour mills that use this fish meal to feed the poultry and feed the cattle.
A finished product obtained by processing fish scraps.
Notre matière première, c'est du poisson.
Our raw material is fish, but not the fish we use for food. It is feed remains that comes from fish processing factories, especially with the spinning. Then we use the rest, everything that is fins, everything that is a residue, roughly, that we transform into fish meal and oil.
En face de la farine de poisson.
The production is then analyzed on site before being certified by independent laboratories. A quality control that has earned the company the approval of the European Union.
There are 4 parameters that follows international standards for fish meal: protein, fat, moisture, and ash. These are the 4 parameters for which we must ensure compliance. Analyses are also made before and after treatment of the wastewater to verify that all the standards are met.
The production plant operates with an automated system controlled by remote control and state-of-the-art equipment. Touba Protéine Marine is equipped with a unit for the treatment of liquid and odorous waste, a revalorization that allows to obtain granular fertilizer already certified.
The water that we treat is that which comes from the cleaning of our plant. This is the fish submersible water storage tank with 2 pumps. These 2 pumps suck up the water to project it to the tank 200, equipped with an air agitator, which will homogenize the water before treatment to obtain certified engrais. The water thus clarified respects the environment. I installed a special machine for the treatment of odors. That's why we can live here. As I said it earlier, you've checked there. There are apartments in the factory. There are people who live here because the odors are treated. This machine has a capacity to treat odors up to 40,000 square meters of air per hour.
A unit capable of sucking 40,000 cubic meters of air per hour. An environmental policy welcomed by the population.
The populations are aware of their living environment. They want to have a decent living environment, and we thank certain industrialists who think about the living environment of the population. They take the precaution of treating the wastewater coming from their factories before dumping it in the dam. Their concern is to ensure that there is no toxic waste harmful to livestock and the population.
TPM is strongly involved in community activities by financing the construction of health infrastructures and youth employment. 60 direct jobs and nearly 300 indirect jobs are generated. The company provides financing to women in the commune.
La femme, c'est la famille. Everybody knows that a woman represents a family. Despite of our vulnerability, we have a big responsibility on our families. Mr. Diallo is doing his best in helping us. He has financed more than 500 women since the Touba Protéine Marine is implemented in Kayar, and we are very proud of him. We had difficulties in the past to finance our activities, but thanks to the financing allowed by Touba Protéine Marine, we can buy hundreds of boxes of fish that can be sold all around the country. We did not have that opportunity, but we have it now thanks to Touba Protéine Marine. From January to April, we used to sell local products, and from May to December, we are obliged to sell imported vegetables, which are extremely expensive. That require a lot of money. But Touba Protéine Marine is the only factory that has raised 100 million finance women activities in Kayar.
Supports social project.
Touba Protéine Marine has repeatedly participated in the building of the mosque.
The same is true for the Road Rayahin residence, a place where the chair is staying under construction. These efforts were welcomed by the dignitaries of the Kayar commune.
We are strongly on the stage of the foundations of Raudu Rayahin. Babakar Jallo is presently the money keeper on a recommendation from the General Khalif of Murid Serigne Muntaha Mbacké. The director of Touba Protéine Marine, Babakar Jallo, is a hard worker, a very generous and sociable person. Not only does he respect the regulation deliberated by the town council for the setting of the plant, he has locally done a lot in this locality. In any case, we strongly support him, given the positive impact of this plant.
To be among the first in the world as a leader, that is why we invest in modernity. We have advanced technology too. In longevity, respect the environment in all its forms, also respect the institutions.
The ambition of Touba Protéine Marine is to be the leader in Africa in the processing of oil and fish meal, a vision that corresponds to the strategic direction of the state in aqua and fish farming.